person is known as a revolutionary. One person is known as a leader. One person can change people. But what can you do? What can you do as one Muslim leader? What can you do as one Muslim leader if you are in an environment where you are surrounded by people who are not like you?
Encourage other people to come to Islam.
You can't afford it, they take their phone off you. But really, these are distractions that we should be in control of. So I'll tell you how our Prophet ﷺ dealt with it. Imagine, this is your trial, this is your tribulation, this is your problem. And you decide, oh, you know what? I can set some time for this. Remember? All play and no work makes Jack a mere toy. What do we have to show them? That we behaving well. It's our good work, our good behavior, and it's our to attract people to what is right. So sometimes